Hormones play a vital role in regulating various bodily functions, including metabolism, mood, reproductive health, and energy levels. When hormones become imbalanced, it can lead to a range of health issues, such as fatigue, weight gain, mood swings, digestive problems, and irregular menstrual cycles. Fortunately, natural treatments can help restore hormonal balance and support overall well-being. Feeling tired, moody, or out of sync? Your hormones might be the reason. But don't worry, balancing them naturally is easier than you think. In this video, we're diving into powerful natural remedies to restore hormonal balance, foods, lifestyle changes, herbal solutions, and self-care tips so you can feel your best, naturally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more wellness tips. Common causes of hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalances can be triggered by several factors, including chronic stress, poor diet and nutrient deficiencies, lack of sleep exposure to toxins and endocrine disruptors, sedentary lifestyle, underlying health conditions, such as thyroid disorders or polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, natural ways to balance hormones. 1. Adopt a nutrient-dense diet. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in maintaining hormonal balance. Include healthy fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil support hormone production. Protein-rich foods, eggs, fish, lean meats, and legumes help stabilize blood sugar levels. Fiber-rich foods, vegetables, fruits, and whole grains aid in digestion and hormone detoxification. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale support estrogen balance. Probiotic foods, yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods promote gut health, which influences hormone function. Antioxidant-rich foods, berries, green tea, and dark chocolate help reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to hormonal imbalance. Herbs and spices, turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon have anti-inflammatory properties that support hormone health. 2. Manage stress. Effectively, chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can disrupt other hormones. Effective stress management techniques include meditation and deep breathing exercises, yoga and gentle stretching, spending time in nature, engaging in hobbies and relaxation activities, practicing mindfulness and gratitude to cultivate a sense of peace. 3. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep is essential for hormone regulation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, reducing screen time before bed, creating a calming bedtime routine, keeping the bedroom dark and cool, using essential oils like lavender to promote relaxation, avoiding caffeine and heavy meals before bedtime. 4. Regular physical activity. Exercise helps regulate hormones by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing stress levels. Beneficial activities include strength training, yoga walking, high-intensity interval training, Pilates, and stretching exercises to improve circulation and reduce inflammation, dance or swimming for a full-body workout that supports overall well-being. 5. Herbal remedies and supplements. Certain herbs and supplements can support hormonal balance naturally. Ashwagandha helps lower stress and balance cortisol. Maca root supports reproductive health and energy levels. Chaseberry aids in balancing estrogen and progesterone. Turmeric reduces inflammation and supports overall hormone health. Magnesium helps with stress management and supports thyroid function. Evening primrose oil supports menstrual cycle regulation and alleviates PMS symptoms. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil and flax seeds, these support hormone production and reduce inflammation. Vitamin D plays a key role in hormone synthesis and immune function. Adaptogenic herbs, rhodiola, holy basil, and ginseng help the body adapt to stress and regulate hormone levels. 6. Reduce toxin exposure. Endocrine-disrupting chemicals, EDCs, found in plastics, personal care products, and household cleaners can interfere with hormone function. Reduce exposure by using glass or stainless steel containers instead of plastic. Choosing organic produce to limit pesticide exposure. Switching to natural skincare and cleaning products. Avoiding processed foods that contain artificial additives and preservatives. Filtering drinking water to remove contaminants that may affect hormone health. 7. Hydration and detoxification. Drinking plenty of water and supporting liver health can help the body eliminate excess hormones effectively. Herbal teas such as dandelion root and green tea aid in detoxification. Other detox-supporting habits include consuming lemon water in the morning to stimulate liver function, dry brushing to promote lymphatic drainage, engaging in regular sauna or steam therapy to help remove toxins through sweating. 8. Balancing blood sugar levels. Unstable blood sugar levels can contribute to hormonal imbalances, particularly insulin and cortisol. To maintain stable blood sugar, eat balanced meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Avoid refined sugars and processed carbohydrates. Consume complex carbohydrates such as quinoa, sweet potatoes, and legumes. Eat at regular intervals to prevent drastic fluctuations in blood sugar levels. 9. Supporting gut health. A healthy gut microbiome plays a crucial role in hormone balance. Strategies to support gut health include eating fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha, taking a high-quality probiotic supplement, avoiding excessive antibiotic use unless necessary, consuming prebiotic foods such as garlic, onions, and bananas to nourish beneficial gut bacteria. 10. Cycle syncing for women. For women, adjusting diet, exercise, and self-care routines based on the phases of the menstrual cycle can help balance hormones. This includes follicular phase, engaging in light workouts and consuming protein-rich, iron-rich foods. Ovulatory phase, eating antioxidant-rich foods and doing high-energy workouts. Luteal phase, incorporating healthy fats, magnesium, and stress-reducing activities. Menstrual phase, prioritizing rest, hydration, and gentle movements like stretching and yoga. 11. Healthy relationships and emotional well-being. Hormonal health is deeply connected to emotional well-being. Building strong relationships, engaging in social activities, and expressing emotions in a healthy way can positively influence hormone levels. Practices like journaling, therapy, and setting boundaries can contribute to emotional balance. 12. Acupuncture and alternative therapies. Acupuncture, reflexology, and other alternative therapies can stimulate hormone production and support endocrine function. These therapies may help with regulating menstrual cycles, reducing stress-related hormonal imbalances, improving fertility and reproductive health. 13. Essential oils for hormonal balance. Certain essential oils can help regulate hormone levels naturally. Clary sage supports estrogen balance and relieves menstrual cramps. Lavender promotes relaxation and reduces cortisol levels. Peppermint helps with digestion and hormonal headaches. Frankincense supports thyroid function and overall hormone health. Conclusion. Hormonal imbalances can impact overall health, but natural treatments such as dietary changes, stress management, sleep improvement, and toxin reduction can help restore balance. By making lifestyle adjustments and incorporating natural remedies, individuals can support their hormonal health and enhance their well-being. If symptoms persist, consulting a healthcare professional for further evaluation and guidance is recommended.